Sam, you are the sales manager here at Solpower. So
Yes.
how do you help your customers usually to pick the right model? So me as a potential customer, what do I have to look out for? What do I have to pay attention to when choosing a rotary table?
Well, good question. But every part in the rotary table are very important. So let's start first introducing our DD rotary table in general.
Wait. DD? What is DD?
Well, it's how they said it in Asia, direct drive. It stands for direct drive.
Okay. So
it's a simple way
so
to
it's an Asian way of
yes,
because direct drive is too hard.
Direct drive is DD. Yes.
DD is easier to pronounce as well.
Yes.
All right. Sorry.
Thank you.
So you wanted to talk about the components of
yes. Well, the main components of the rotary table is the first one is the motor elements. The second one is the bearing system. The third one is the clamping system, and the fourth one is the encoder system. But in general, users or customers, what they first